Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI with TWI Junior Pro. Before we start today's lesson, I just wanted to give a shout out to Afare. He sent me a message yesterday saying that he found something in my app. So basically the story is Afare downloaded TWI Junior Pro. He went through it and found that there were two glitches in it. So he sent me a message asking me if I could actually rectify those mistakes. What I did is I quickly sorted it out and actually deployed the app. But because of this coronavirus, the app won't be deployed as quickly as it used to. It says it to take at least 7 days for it to be published and everyone will get it. I sent a notification out to everyone who downloaded the app or who has the app, telling them that the app is coming, just that it would take a bit of time. So I figured instead of him waiting for 7 days to actually getting what he needed, I might as well, before I start my lesson, actually tell him those words. So these are the two words that he wanted to know. So he wanted to know what "it is sweet" is in TWI. "It is sweet" is Agya fremfrem. Agya fremfrem. It is sweet. The other thing that he wanted to know was stop what you're saying. Stop what you're saying in TWI is Gyae woreka. Gyae woreka. Thanks again, Ray. You know what? If there's anything else that you find, a bug that you find, just pop me a mail like you did and I'll rectify it as soon as possible. If it might take long, what I'll do is I'll actually say it in the video, and this doesn't go out to Ray alone. Whoever finds any bugs in my app, just quickly pop me a mail. I'll respond. If it takes too long and you want to hear the actual words, and I'll put it in my video so that you know what I was trying to say, or you'll actually hear what the word sounds like. And if anyone, like I usually say, if anyone has comments, just put in the comment section of any of my videos. I'll pick it up and I'll actually address it in my next video. So with that out of the way, guys, let's start with today's lesson. Welcome to Learning TWI with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and today's lesson is about learning what family is in TWI. We're going to learn what the word family is in TWI and all the people that actually make up a family, or usually make up a family. So starting from your grandfather, to your grandmother, to your siblings, to your in-laws, and everyone else. So what I'm going to do now is literally start with the word family and drill down all the common people, or all the usual people that actually make up a family in TWI is. So a family in TWI is, or the word family in TWI is Abusua. Abusua is it's family. Then the other thing, okay, let's start from high up, two generations back. So let's start with grandparents. So grandparents in TWI is Nana. If you say the word Nana and you're anywhere in Ghana, we all know you're talking about your grandparents. Or, well, it depends. Nana also refers to a chief, but that's something else. But usually Nana is allocated to your grandparents. So grandparents is Nana. Now, if you want to break it down and say granddad, grandmom, then granddad would be Nana barima. Then grandma will be Nana ba. So Nana ba is grandmother, Nana barima is granddad. So if you want to go to dad, right, in TWI, dad, there are 4 ways of saying dad in TWI. You can either say Agya, se, papa, which is generally common, and da, which is also common. If you go anywhere around the world and you talk about papa or da, everyone knows you're talking about your dad. When it comes to mother or mom, we have 4 as well. You have ma, which is also a universal one. You have Maame, you have ni, and you have na. So with moms, it's Maame, ni, na, and ma. Now, the next one that I want to tackle is uncle. Uncle is a bit tricky. Uncle and aunt's a bit tricky, right? But I'll try and break it down as best as I can. An uncle in TWI is Wɔfa, but it differs. So in English, where an uncle is an uncle, it's just an uncle, right? In TWI, if you say Wɔfa, we know that he is the brother of your mom. So basically, an uncle to us or in our culture, is your mother's brother. My father's brother is my dad. I call him Da. He's not my uncle because it's from my father's side. But my mother's brother is Wɔfa, which is uncle. When it comes to aunts, aunt is Sewaa. My mother's sister is not my aunt, she's my mom, so I call her Ma as well. But my father's sister, I call her Sewaa because she's on my father's side. So that's who I call aunt. So now let's tackle sister. Sister is Nuaba. Nua, roughly translated in Twi, is basically saying sibling. So Nuaba is sister. The Nua barima is brother. You refer to your older sister as Nuaba panyini. Panyini is old or elder. So my elder sister to me is mi nuaba panyini, which is my elder sister. Elder brother will be mi nua barima panyini. That's how you refer to your elder siblings, right? But then if I'm talking to them, or for example, I want to talk to my elder sister and I'm calling them out. For example, I have one sister called Agata, then I have two brothers, Kofi and Nanea, right? Now, if I were to try and call them, in English, you can literally call your sister Agata, then Agata will come, or Kofi and Nanea will come. We don't do that. If you have an elder sibling, you don't just call them by name. That's disrespectful. So if I were to call my sister, literally, to come here, I would say, Sister Agata, Braha, which is Sister Agata, come here. And that's still a bit disrespectful because you have to add please, because they're older than you. Anyone older than you have to add please in your sentence. So I would say, Sister Gata, me pao chow braha, which is Sister Gata, please come here, right? So the sister part is a sign of respect that she's older than you. If it was my brother, for example, my brother Kofi, I can't say Kofi braha, which is Kofi come here, it's wrong. I would say bra Kofi, me pao chow braha, which is bra, which is basically saying, with the respect, saying, Kofi, please come here. So if you're calling or talking to your eldest sister, you put the sister word in front of their name. If it's your older brother, you put the bra part in front of their name to show a sign of respect, right? Now, your younger brother or younger sister, your younger brother will be Nua barima TWI. TWI is small or younger, right? Then if it's your sister, it will be Nua ba TWI. Then we have your last born. For example, in my family, I'm the last born. As old as I am, I'm the last born. So we call last borns kechri, which is like you were left behind. If you translate it, it's like the one who was left behind. But kechri means last born. Then the firstborn is bakain. Bakain is your eldest in your family. So the firstborn in the family is bakain. Then the last born is kechri. A son in Twi is ba barima. Then your daughter is ba. Barima is male, ba is female. So if I want to say my son, I would say me ba barima. My daughter will be me ba. Then you have husband and you have wife. Husband is kunu. Wife is yiri. So if I want to say my wife, I would say mi yiri. And if she wants to say her husband, she would say mikunu. So I think we've tackled everything from grandparents. Oh yeah, there's one more. In-laws, right? Your in-law, your basically the word in-law is ase, right? Ase is in-law. Now your brother-in-law is akunta. Your sister-in-law is akuma. So basically that's about it for today. We learned everything from family, grandparents, siblings, in-laws, parents, how do you refer to your siblings with respect, the eldest one, the youngest one. Yeah, I think that's the basic general ones. So basically what I'm going to do is whatever I mentioned will be in the description section of this video. And I hope you like the video. Remember, if you do, there'll be more to come, right? So in order for you to know the new videos out there, please click on the like button, subscribe, and remember to click on the bell button for future notification, as I'm saying. With the virus again, guys, it's getting worse and worse every day. Be safe, stay indoor. If your country dictates that, you know what, you should stay indoors and you're in quarantine, stay indoors. I've been indoors for like 2 weeks now, working from home, because that's what's needed. It's not about me, it's about the next person. The only time I go out is for actually getting medical supplies or getting food. That's about it. What do you call? So please be safe, take care of yourself, and yeah, hope everything works itself out as soon as possible. And remember to also download the app TWI Junior Pro. With that and this, you learn the language quicker. And if any of you find any bugs in the app, please let me know. Then I'll quickly sort it out and roll it out. It might take a long time, well, not a long time, might take a bit of time to get out there. But in my next video, what I'll do is, for those that actually send me an email or WhatsApp or whatever they need to send, right, I'll actually voice it out. I'll say it out on my next video like Ray did, so that he gets what he needs quicker and it doesn't have to be long, right? So like I said, you know what, be safe, subscribe, click on bell button, download TWI Junior Pro. With that and this, like I said, will be quicker. So from me, Kwesi, I'll see you guys somewhere next week. So enjoy your weekend. Well, from me, bye.